The Z-19E, developed by the state-owned Avic Harbin Aircraft Industry, took to the skies over the city of Harbin for its maiden flight. The helicopter is the latest narrow-body tandem-seat armed helicopter. It is also the country's first export-oriented helicopter made especially for attack purposes. It is specifically designed to meet the requirements of the foreign market. The Z-19E is mainly intended to attack tanks, armored vehicles and other ground targets, flying at very low altitudes. With a tandem dual-seat cabin, it provides both pilots with good line of vision. China has rolled out a series of increasingly advanced equipment in recent years, including stealth fighter jets and the first domestically developed aircraft carrier. China has also increasingly been focused at getting more defense orders on the world market, trying to shed a reputation for poor reliability or cloning weapons.